I'm going to show you how you can easily open Spectrum Remote to change batteries. First, turn the remote over to locate the battery compartment on the back side. Now, place your thumb on the battery cover and apply gentle downward pressure. While pressing down, slide the battery cover away from the remote to open it. If the cover is difficult to move, use a flat tool like a butter knife to assist in sliding it open. Once the cover is removed, take out the old batteries from the compartment. Then, insert two new AA batteries, ensuring the positive and negative ends match the markings inside. Align the battery cover with the compartment and slide it back into place until it clicks. Next, test the remote by pressing any button to confirm the new batteries are functioning properly. Dispose of the old batteries according to your local regulations for battery recycling.